Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove an unwanted object from the video with the CapCut. So today this is the video that we will use as the practical object. So here I would like to try to remove this book from this video. Go type into the clip and we just need to find the duplicate clip because we need to make this clip become a duplicate tool. So after you got them, just tap into the duplicate tools and make the duplicate tools here become an overlay clip. Now you just need to drag this overlay clip so that they will have the same durations and positions with the original clip. Now tap into the overlay clip and take a look on this bottom feature again, and just need to slide it into the left side until you found mask tool. Right after that, just go tap it and pick the shape that you want to use to cover. So here I would like to use this circles, I think, or it could be better. Yeah, circles is better. Now you just need to place these circles into the closest area with the object that you want to cover, and you just need to pinch two sides of the circles into the inner side to make it smaller. The next thing you need to do is just go click or tap in this checklist button. Now you just need to pinch the screen here into the other part so that you can resize in it, or you can slide it first just to make sure the size, and then you just need to pinch with your toe of your finger into the other side so that you will have the correct size to cover it. Whenever you're done, then you just go click the blank area, and here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again in the other tutorial.